Let's go drifting! Good morning. We are headed to Irwindale Speedway, the house of drift, and I could not be more excited. Let's hit the road.
This was such a surreal experience, pulling up to where the pits are at Irwindale Speedway, the legendary house of drift. And then reality set in when I actually walked out on the track and realized, oh, I'm going to be driving this? I'm not going to lie, it was kind of intimidating. But intimidating in a really exciting way.
We made it to Irwindale Speedway, just past tech, did a little driver's meeting. We have about an hour of downtime waiting on fire and safety people to get here, and then we're gonna get to driving. Super hyped to be here, can't wait to have some fun. On track, in line, super excited. A little nervous, not gonna lie. Just did my first lap. I spun at the very end. This track is way slicker than I thought. I don't know why I thought it would have some kind of grip or maybe be a little hard to drive with so little power. But I think we're gonna do okay. I just have to get used to the grip level. We're giving ride-alongs now. Check out this line of people for ride-alongs. That fun?
Yeah, that was.
Hell yeah.
Alright, that was a great ride, Tony.
Thanks, bro. Did my first 5 or 6 laps. So much fun. This track is really cool. The inner bank is pretty hard to nail. I feel like it would be a lot easier with a bit more power, but also I just have to commit to it and not be so afraid of that wall. The wall on the very last turn is super fun. I keep getting closer and closer to it. We'll see. Either way, I'm having so much fun. So happy to be here. I've given a couple people ride-alongs and there's a huge line of more people. So I just pulled into the pits, did a once-over. My tires still look brand new. That's super impressive. Just doing a quick once over, like I said. Gonna go hang out with some friends that are here and then get back out to driving. All right, we're back out on track in the staging lanes. Let's go have some more fun. little lunch break. Gonna head back out on track. Been having so much fun. I'm getting better and better at that inner bank, the first one. It's kind of tricky. I could use a bit more power because I end up shallowing out a lot towards the end, but it's still so much fun. You ready, bro? Yeah. All right. Are they picking up pieces of a tire?
What's that?
Are they picking up pieces of a tire?
Yeah, dude. We have no idea. That's their call. They just put it on us.
Wow.
We didn't ask them to do that.
I think that's going to be a wrap on the driving for today. The track shuts down in about 15 minutes anyways. I pulled off a little early because I have to fix the only issue that the Z gave me all day, and that's really just so I can drive home. Let me see if I could find it. This little guy, that is a button that goes on the brake pedal, and it presses the brake light switch, and it fell out, which meant the brake lights were on. They were on just constantly, even when the car was off. So I'm gonna see what I can kind of jerry rig in there, and that way I'll have brake lights on the way home. Other than that tiny little issue, the Z has been phenomenal. No problems, and I'm still on the first set of tires. Check this out. How crazy is that? Lasted me all day. I was even being a fool left foot braking like really hard on a couple of those turns for like multiple laps. So awesome. Like I said, I'm gonna fix that brake pedal switch, and then it's just a matter of driving home. From the staging lanes to traffic. Back home. What an amazing event that was. Big thank you to Nissfest, the people who put the car show on, for Hot Pit, the people who did the drifting side of things, and of course Irwindale Speedway for hosting the entire event. That was really a dream come true. I've been watching drifting at Irwindale Speedway forever. I mean, I mentioned in the previous video that, I mean, mid 2000s when like D1 and stuff was here. It was so cool. It was surreal pulling into there and then actually pulling out on track and being able to drive around on the big bank. So cool. And the Z continues to amaze me. This car is great. Yes, it was probably the lowest power car there, but I still managed to have a ton of fun. I gave a handful of ride-alongs, and everybody that rode with me seemed to enjoy it as well. If you're watching this video from that ride-along, drop a comment down below and let me know you had fun, because I know I sure did. I almost forgot. I want to show you guys the stickers. They showed up. I handed a few out at Irwindale to pretty much everybody that came on a ride-along. I also sold a few to some friends that were there. So let me show you what they look like. There they are. You may notice the car's not silver. Could be a hint at things to come. If you would like to get a sticker, just shoot me a DM on Instagram. and I will get one sent out to you. It's a great way to support me and to support the channel. I don't know what else to say. The Z did amazing. I can't ask for any more of this car. The fact that I was able to drive close to 200 miles round trip, drift at the event, and not touch a single wrench, not do anything, not even change tires. That was crazy. I'm still on a high from that. It was just so much fun. I could keep rambling on about how great all of this has been. So I'm just gonna end it off here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And as always, I will catch you in the next one.